This is my desk. I posted a picture of it on the internet a few years ago, and now it's been viewed over 1 billion times. Yeah, that's billion with a B. You'd probably assume I'm some sort of neat freak, but I have a confession to make. I'm not actually the most organized person, and my desk isn't always this clean. But I still like things a certain way. When I'm deep into a project, things get messy, but that's how real work gets done. What I've realized is it's not about keeping an empty desk. It's about having a dedicated spot for everything to return to, an easy way to reset. So that got me thinking, what if I could bring this structure to everyone's desk? A simple way to bring order to the chaos. So for the past 2 years, I've been designing a system that does exactly that. This is the new Gather. It gives you more space to work and think. Gather adapts to you, and it grows with you. Everything is held in place by super strong magnets. This keeps things nice and neat, but also makes it easy to switch things up. Think of it kind of like a capsule wardrobe for your desk. No matter how you combine the pieces, your setup will always look great. All of those little items that normally clutter up your desk now have a dedicated home. No more digging through drawers to find your favorite pen, or panicking when you can't find your phone. Everything is always right where it belongs. Gather is elegant and effortless, and designed to make your life easier. In a time where most things feel disposable, we're taking the opposite approach. We're using timeless materials that will look great now and 50 years from now. The heavy gauge steel gives it incredible strength and stability, while the solid wood and the natural wool felt bring in the warmth and softness, and the powder coating gives it a beautiful matte finish. To bring this all to life, we're working directly with local craftsmen right here in Pennsylvania. These men and women are true masters at their craft and will help us deliver an heirloom quality product. We've spent over 1,000 hours prototyping and testing and getting everything just right. Some people might think we're crazy, but we know that good design is in the details. The exact corner radius, the perfect textured finish, and the way the magnets snap together with just the right amount of force. We thought through every little detail, so you don't have to. So go ahead, make a mess, immerse yourself in your work, and at the end of the day, Gather restores order so you can jump back into your flow the next morning. A place for everything, and everything in its place. Gather by Ugg Monk.